Hey guys, my name is Jason Lincoln with Nashville Renovators, and we're here in beautiful College Grove, Tennessee today. We actually started here. This was just grass. You can see the homes back behind us. Most clients like to enjoy outdoor spaces. On this project, it was very important to him. So we built this bar here with a hydraulic window that opens out, so it ties into the indoor kitchen space. Also have a sunroom back here that we added a deck on top of. So the upstairs loft you can access out to that deck, so he can entertain guests both down here, up there, inside, outside. It all ties together. We're here at the inside of the garage now. As you can see, it's beautiful. We've got a kitchen over here, we've got custom cabinets over here, beautiful loft space. When we work with you in a project, we want to make sure your money's spent well. We also want to make sure that the space is living comfortably. I know this is a garage, but it's also a living space. So we need to have cool air in the summer, warm air in the winter. We were going to do 3 mini splits in this garage, which after looking at the space, it's so wide open, it would not have cooled and heated the space correctly. You had to go with a 5-ton unit, which is actually hidden in this little wall right here. Looks like we just did that as an accent wall, but there's actually a door there that you can access that HVAC unit. This is kind of the things we do with our clients. We work through things to make sure it looks good and actually works the way it's supposed to work. We also didn't envision having one column to hold this whole structure up. As you can see here, we got one column and this massive beam that comes across. Working with our structural engineer, he came up with a plan to make it all happen so our cars can flow in and out of here easily without having a bunch of columns in the way. Now we're coming upstairs in the loft area here. We actually had only envisioned when we started this of having half of this being done. We decided to go ahead and lengthen it the whole way, which again, we're trying to figure out where money's best spent, and this actually added the best value in this garage because my client spends most of his time up here entertaining his guests. And then we can transition to our outdoor living space here on the deck. And here we are outside. I'll try to talk louder. We got the neighbor mowing the lawn, but as you can see here, we've got a great space out here to hang out, smoke cigars, have a drink, do whatever you'd like to do out here on the deck, entertaining your guests. So we've talked a little bit about getting this project started. Now I want to take you through some of the problems or situations that we've gone through the project and show you that we can add some value in problem solving, budget, or where to spend your money, what's most important to you. To begin this project, we didn't even have this fence in the architecture, but seeing as we were getting about 7 feet off the ground back there, we figured this would be best to do in case somebody falls or trips over the edge. And it also ties into the original house as well. These are very good insulated garage doors, but the first vision was to do full glass here, and those were about $40,000 compared to $15,000. So these will still do a great job in keeping the air control in the garage. So these doors will keep the R value that the insulation and drywall in the actual garage itself has, maintaining the air quality inside and the temperature year round.